Today, what we got going on, we got new control arms, bushings, possibly installing the fan, new fluids, new spark plugs, tucking the boost gauge. This stuff is for a later date. Possibly mounting the new cooling systems, new tie rods. We got new hubs, new wheel bearings on both of these bad boys. We got new ball joints that we're gonna press in. So basically gonna get all brand new everything. Bushings, I mean, everything. So since I rented the tool, first thing I'm gonna do is press out the ball joints so that I can return that and then do the bushings. All right, I had to hammer these out, but they're out. These are the old ones. Here are the new ones, new clips. Here we go. Alright, so got these bad boys on. Brand new ball joints, brand new hubs, brand new wheel bearings. Next step is to take these and put them right there. So what I gotta do is take a hot knife and cut that shit out. So yeah. Alright, so I got that cleaned off. I got that cleaned out, kind of good. Now, I'm gonna use this, some grease, and push the bushing in. Quick update, got this side done. I had to use my, where's it at? Had to use my torch. I just want y'all to see what I gotta do here to get this shit off. So I got a razor blade and some vice grips.
Yellow top missing. Yeah, that shit look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She wax it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors.
All right, once you get it to this point, get all that shit off of it. Get you a freaking drill here with one of these, and you go up and down. All right, quick update. Got that bad boy in there. Kind of a pain in the ass. So now I gotta go get some batteries for my headlamp. Next thing is I'm gonna preload the coilovers, which I washed, and then set these coilovers up, install them, install the front camber kit, the front bushings, the brand new wheel bearings, coilovers, have the suspension put together, get it on the ground. Tomorrow I need to go mount these Toyo Proxy double R's. You know what I'm saying? Brand new. And then once it's on the ground, I'm gonna make the mount for the radiator and the intercooler. Alright, so I had to get some shit organized. Basically there was a rack where the tires are. Put the rack over here. Got my little workstation, got my welder. You know what I'm saying? This needs to be organized, but got all the tools just over here. And then I got another Tupperware so I can put all this stuff because the engine needs to come out. And then tires, all my stuff full of tranny stuff, engine stuff, valve covers. And then these tires are gonna get mounted soon. I got this engine set up. I'm gonna put it on this engine stand over here.
If you got eyes, look at me now, bitch. Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh, oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah. Fresher than a motherfucker. Okay. Okay.
All right, so this one goes right there. This one goes right there. So I gotta remove this. There we go. All right, so this one goes right there. This one goes right there. So I gotta remove this.
We got London on the track, on the track, on the track, on the track. You understand? Young star, nigga. Rich gang, gang, gang.
All right, I got these arms out. I just gotta find somebody to press those bushings out. Same with this side. So meanwhile, I started taking off the turbo. I got the turbo, the manifold, the wastegate off. Got the alternator off. Got the starter off. About to take the shifter cables off. About to take the fuel off. This is gonna get replaced. This whole system is gonna get replaced. So this is all gonna be cleaned up. All right, engine is out, bay is open. So one of the main reasons why I wanted to do this was literally because of this fitting right here. So this fitting is a -6 number 6 AN female to 3/8 tube adapter. And so what was happening was the line that comes from the tank goes up to the fuel filter, comes out to my fuel rail and back around. Instead, what I'm gonna do is cut it here and just have it come filter and then straight up into the fuel rail, which is right here. So if the engine goes like this is gonna be over here, and that's gonna go straight into the fuel. Another thing I wanted to do was delete this canister, which is just a fuel tank vent. Delete this, and then obviously clean this up, make sure my mounts are, you know, I had a bunch of bolts that were loose, so the fact that I'm doing this is really dope. Another thing is this clutch line that came, you know, down around the transmission. Instead of having all of this line, I'm just gonna have it go from here straight around to the front of the engine. So now what I gotta do is clean, wipe all this down, tighten all my bolts. Also gonna tuck a few things. So here we go. All right, so got everything organized. Got this thing pulled. Tomorrow I'm gonna get the tranny taken off, clean up the engine bay. Got all this organized, get this organized a little bit better. And then we'll check back in. I got a bunch of parts coming. So as soon as I get the parts, this thing will get finished. So, oh yeah, and tomorrow I gotta have somebody help me press the bushings out so I can put those in. and then finish up the control arms, and then should be good. Stay tuned.
Like I ain't fucking raw. Nigga in the whip, I want to fuck with y'all. 2 2 3s out that top,